When we're kids, we're told to just say no. We become grown-ups, so you can deviate. This is episode 2 of We Said Yes. If you don't know the premise, this is where we say yes to all the emails that come in for product requests from like midnight to like 7 or 8 a.m. And then we pick like the 5 or so weirdest, strangest products. Ralph is over there. Can't see him, gotta pick the products. I have not seen any of these or tested them yet. So we figure, who knows, maybe some products ordinarily we wouldn't look at are good and deserve our attention. Maybe some are asinine and silly. We don't know, but we said yes, and we're gonna check them out. All right, so let's start with product number 1. Ralph. These not AirPods are $299, so they are expensive not AirPods, but they do a lot of things that some other products maybe don't do. So it's got, was it augmented hearing? Augmented hearing. And if there's one thing I like, it's things that are augmented. Essentially what that's gonna do, it's gonna let you sort of isolate the voice. If you're in like a crowded room and ordinarily you hear ambient noise, you would just hear the person's voice. So we've got product safety, social stuff, and holy earbuds. You've got pretty much every size ear hole that you can think of. Here is your charging case. You open them up, they charge, you close it, you get the gist of it. All right, so let's see how they fit. Clearly labeled L and R. So I know which one goes in my right ear hole. Should have charged them. All right, we'll let those charge. Should we come back to IQ Buds? We try something else? All right, so while we wait for IQ Buds to charge, we'll go on to product number 2. What we got? Pavlok 2, reduces cravings, breaks bad habits, and more. Integrates with IFT, Slack, and an Apple Watch. What does it do? How does it do it?
So it vibrates, beeps, and releases electrical impulses.
It shocks you. It's a human shock collar. Insert the module into the wristband. Press on the lightning bolt to release the zap.
Oh, have fun.
I don't think it's
definitely not charged.
Just kidding. I got everybody here to jump though. Yeah, it definitely needs to be charged. Okay, so we're on product number 3. What we got here? This is Mofu, portable Apple Watch charger. Okay.
This one's pretty easy and self-explanatory.
It's a portable app, how much is it?
$36.99.
$36.99. Hey Matt, can I see your Apple Watch? All right. It would be cooler if this had like a battery pack built into it. It's nice, I guess, put on your keychain if you had to charge your Apple Watch all the time, but.
Charging.
There we go. All right, so it does exactly what it says it would do, which I guess is better than a lot of other products. And it comes with a little carabiner so you can attach it to your pants. So that's kind of a nice little compact way to do it. I'm actually gonna travel with this when I'm using an iPhone. All right, Mofu, points for you. All right, I got battery packs at the ready. What's next? Ooh, TapTech keyboard by Vinpoc. So this is keycap backlit, mechanical switches, Bluetooth, USB, and built-in lithium battery. So it is a wireless mechanical keyboard.
It's made specifically for Mac.
Made specifically for Macs. Oh, you see the command key. Well, that's cool. User manual. Feels really good, actually.
It has RGB too. Yeah,
it has RGB.
Let the people hear it.
Dude, I'm gonna use this. I don't know why we have it, but we have Razer's different switches for comparison. The Razer green switch, it's tactile and clicky. The Razer orange switch, it's tactile and silent. And the Razer yellow switch, linear and silent.
So out of those 3,
it's kind of in the middle of the green switch and the orange switch. It's not like crazy loud, like you're gonna slightly annoy the people next to you, but you're not gonna make them want to throw you off a building. So that was cool. Windows or Mac or Android. Doesn't have to be like plugged in, they're just charging it. It's wireless, using Bluetooth. We'll keep it plugged in though. So that was cool, and I got a personal letter. Maybe you too will get a personal letter. What we got next? We got more.
the last one.
Voxos, safe and sound. Feels like there's nothing in here. Not sure I trust this for the packaging. All right, so we're gonna conduct some bones. Product name. This is just information. Battery life 10 hours, talk time 10 hours, charge time 2 hours. Bluetooth chipset, lossless transmission. So bone conduction, if you don't know, the old like jobbers used to use it. It's been around for a long time. Essentially uses your bone to transmit sound. How do I look?
You look pretty good actually.
Casey?
So I gotta scrape off some of the paint. So the stem on the left has smartphone controls and a touchpad, so you can access Siri or Google Assistant or take calls. But this is like the much better equivalent than being like the Bluetooth headset, like dude who walks around with the, you know, the thing in your ear. You can't really tell. You'll probably look like a crazy person actually if you're talking to somebody and it looks like you're just wearing sunglasses. So stay away from busy streets where officers are directing traffic. But we are gonna have to charge this. So the moral of We Said Yes number 2 is charge everything beforehand.
12 seconds later.
So we let these charge for hopefully enough time. We're back to the IQ buds. Let's give them a shot. That's a touchpad. Okay, now I can hear you guys. I can hear myself. I have like superhuman hearing now. I can totally hear you.
Really?
What am I saying? Good, whisper something, see if I can hear you. Yes. Best boss. So what we learned is IQ buds actually give you superhuman hearing. So I can hear things really well, and like ambient noise I can't hear. It kind of sounds like you have like almost like an echo. Music sounds good. Obviously I need to pick different size earbuds to make them stay in my ear better, but they're not bad. Worth the price, I don't know, but if you need to hear people from far away, like spy on people, pretty awesome. They're good, they work as advertised. So hats off to New Hera. They totally work, and they work well, so. So we're gonna go from IQ buds to, as Matt just called it, Shocky Shocky. So, Pavlok. I don't wanna even like touch it. I don't wanna release this app. I feel like I should be able to read this.
That's the point of the product.
All right, let's release this app. I just broke it. I 100% just broke it. So let's try. Let's bring the zap down to the lowest is 10%. Now let's try that. I felt it. It felt like a
100%.
Why are we all lining up to torture ourselves so much?
It's like, hey, this milk is bad. You want to smell it? Everybody, come try.
Probably smell it.
You ready? Where do you want it?
Wherever.
All right. Here, put your arm like this.
Oh!
Ooh. Wow. That's like a very involuntary art lift. Okay, that's enough of a jolt to get me to stop.
Pavlok, it works. The band kind of sucks, but it'll probably stop you from doing so. All right, glasses. We're gonna conduct some bones with Voxos. Connected. Can I try calling? It sounds kind of distant. It doesn't sound like super clear, but like it's definitely coming through. And you can't hear anything, Mark? All right, well that's pretty cool. I mean, they 100% work as advertised. A little squirrely to pair, but they work. They're comfortable. They're not very heavy. I give these a thumbs up. Voxos, you get this 100% works as advertised. So here's what we learned with We Said Yes episode 2. Sometimes you should just stay sleeping and not be replying yes to emails at 3 a.m. But it does make for a lot of fun and sort of introduction to new products. Some shocking new products ordinarily we wouldn't take a look at. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We appreciate it. If you have suggestions for how we can do it differently, let us know in the comments down below. I'll give you a bit of a spoiler alert. I've already said yes to a lot more emails that are on their way from mainland China that should be in here pretty soon. So hit the subscribe button, hit a little bell so you get notified on your phone whenever new videos come up. We got a lot of new stuff coming your way. Hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out. Until next time, I'm John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo.
Oh, that was way more.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, okay, that would stop me from doing something.
Really?
Yeah, try it. No, that's way more.
Oh.
Oh, God damn it.